In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce motion on Roblox. By reducing motion, you'll be able to enhance performance of your gadget while you are on Roblox or when you are on games in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your account. And once you are in your account on Roblox, go ahead and choose more here. Under this, go ahead and find settings, and under settings, head to device preferences. Now here we have various device preferences, and among them is an option to reduce motion. This will help us stop or reduce motion effects. To do so, go ahead and toggle this on, and now your device should be able to perform better because motion will have been reduced. So that's how you can reduce motion on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.